Good morning, guys. This is winter in Greece. It's getting cold, and we got rain last night. And we are in the motorcycle house, my man's cave. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna take the motoscan, put it on, and basically we're gonna do a very simple video, but for many people it's very important. I'm gonna show you how to change the air pressure monitors from bar to PSI. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, as we can see, the RTC, it's in bar 2.4 for the rear, because I can't spin the front wheel, so I just put first gear so I can spin the rear wheel. So we show you this one here. Okay, you see it? RTC 2.4 bar. Alright, let's change that to PSI. Turn off the engine and let's get ready. Alright, so we're gonna change from bar, you see it? 2.4 on the RTC to PSI. Okay, with a motoscan. So we go to motoscan, turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna start from the beginning. You go to your bike, R series, you pick up your bike and you go to Kobe. Coding. Alright, let's go down, temperature and this and that and consumption unit, whatever, we're looking for that. Pressure unit, bar, PSI, you see that became yellow. Perform coding. Wait till you finish, don't touch it. Go back again to your bike, to Kobe, connected, coding. PSI. Alright, let's turn it off. We'll have to wait for the ignition to go completely off. Okay, and let's check it out. So I'm gonna wait for this red light. That's the power. You see it? To go off. I'm checking the power because the CPU just takes a couple of minutes to turn it completely off. Alright. And in 2-3 minutes we're gonna come back. Okay, let's check it out. I'll just turn on ignition. What do we have here? 35. It's on PSI. You see it? RTC 35. Okay. This is how we do it. So remember, your bike, Kobe, and coding. Alright, 3 things. Your bike, coding, Kobe, and coding. Okay guys, thanks for watching.